You know those stories you hear from other moms about dropping their kids off at school in mismatched shoes or wearing pajamas to school? Yeah, I used to laugh and think, that will never be me. Well, today I ate those words with a side of humble pie. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janearl and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today, do you know what happened on my school runs today? Guys, sit tight and let me gist you while I make this creamy coconut tomato pasta for my kids' school lunch. So guys, the morning started as chaotic as it can be. You know how it is as a mom, you know, early morning runs, and I was making this food this morning. So after packing all the food, we're not even actually that late. We were late, but we're not that late because they are my kids' school assembly starts by 8 o'clock. So I finished everything around 7:42 and I left the house. Like, I was wearing a romper inside. Then I decided to wear a dress over the romper because the romper was quite short. Guys, can you believe I wore that dress to school, from my house to school, without zipping it up? Thank God for the romper I was wearing inside. Like, I did not know. It skipped my mind that I was hey, God of Israel. I walked from my house to my kids' school with a dress unzipped. Like, I did not zip the dress until I got to the school. I was even in the school. I was in front of the principal's office, that I just, felt at the side of my dress that, gosh, I was walking without zipping up my dress. Like, mom brain will show you pepper. Please, can you share any experience you've had on school runs as a mom? What have you forgotten to do? Have you gone to school have you gone to drop your kids off with mismatched shoes, or have you worn pajamas to go drop your kids? Oh my Lord, guys, it was funny. I laughed my heart out today when I got home. It was so funny. So guys, can you see, did you understand the recipe? If you want me to explain in details, just let me know. I will do another video, but I'm very sure that this clip is self-explanatory because this is like I said, the best and yummiest pasta I have ever made. The coconut milk gave it, like, it elevated the taste. Oh my gosh. And did you notice I did not add any seasoning cube nor salt, except when I was boiling the pasta I added salt, but when making the pasta itself I did not add any seasoning cube nor salt. Guys, invest in spices. These spices they would elevate the taste of your food. Hey God, this pasta was super duper yummy. So guys, this is what we're packing for school lunch today. As you saw in the video, I added chicken to the pasta, but I decided to just add boiled eggs for them. For fruits, they're taking grapes. Guys, do you know grapes is now 7,500? Hey God, where will they go for this country? Basimimbok. That person help me, because this country is getting some. How can grapes be 7,500? And that 7,500, the grapes is not even full again. No, they don't reduce them. Anywho, please don't forget to do all the good stuffs. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't skip my ads. Any advert you see on top of this video, shall let it play out. And this is how everything is looking. So yummy, so delicious. Guys, try this recipe. Just try it. Try this recipe. Oh my Lord, it's finger looking delicious. Like, I'm not exaggerating. Just try it. Just try it. After making all my tomato paste and all that base, I just had coconut milk. I said, let me just add coconut milk and see. Guys, it was a game changer. I loved it. I loved it and I loved it. And I'm definitely gonna be making it at home every day. So I proceeded to pack their school lunch and everything, and we were off to school. And we were off to school in my unzipped dress. Anywho, please share in the comment section any weird thing you have done during school runs. I beg, because let's laugh together. It's not easy to be mom. It's not easy to be a mom. It's not easy. Like our brain, you just be forgetting things up and down. Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye.